Hello everyone, welcome back to my Learn Easy Math channel once again. Today in this video I have come before you and appear before you to discuss some more new discussion related to the decimal topic. As in my previous two videos, that is introduction to the decimal and addition and subtraction of the decimal, we have discussed some of the important facts and the points related to the topic. Today I have come before you and I am discussing with you to just talk about the another two important fundamental operations of mathematics on decimal. One is the multiplication of the decimal, the another one is the division of decimal. Today we will discuss about the multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. I would say that particularly in the four operations of the mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, the multiplication is very easy process, because the trick which we employ and imply here is very easy. How it is? Let me follow now. See, when we multiply the whole number, a single digit to the single digit, when you multiply the whole number, 3 into 5 is a 15. Very simple. When you multiply the two digits with the single digit, 25 5s are 125. As simple as what we follow it. When we multiply the double digit with the double digit, 12 8s are 96, 9 carry, 12 4 the 48 plus 9 57, 576. This is okay when we multiply single digit with single digit, double digit with single digit, double digit with double digit, and almost all the multiple digits with the multiple digits. Now the children feel little bit difficulty when they come across the process of the multiplication in decimals. How to overcome and make them overcome with these difficulties? Viewers, please listen it very carefully and just make a note of this trick now. What should we do? Here I am going to, what would I say that? I am going to just multiply in a very simple way. I will take three examples and I will categorize it. The first example is, okay, a whole number with some decimal values. Whole number with some decimal values. 35 is a whole number and it should be multiplied with 1.24. As in my previous videos I discussed and I told you very clearly that the decimal part cannot be read as the whole sum. That not 124 or not 1.24. Don't just try to make that mistake. It should be read as 1.24 because it is a decimal part where it is divided into the first place is 10th position, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Now, the first and foremost thing what you need to do here is when you multiply the decimal to a whole number, forget for a moment. What to forget? That there is no decimal. You are going to multiply the total whole numbers. How? You will be surprised. 35 into 124, because I can read it completely because I have forgotten the part of the decimal and I consider it and I assume it is let it be a whole number. 124 instead of 1.24, here I considered it as 124. Okay, what to do now? Now carry out the division, multiplication. 5 4 the 20, 2 unit, 2 carry, 5 2 the 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 5 1 the 5 plus 1 is 6. Alright. Now leaving 1 unit place, 3 4 the 12, 1 carry, 3 2 the 6 plus 1, 7, and 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, and 3 1s are 3. Now you add, it is 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 6 plus 7, 13, and 1 it is 4. The total sum in the whole number, what do you read it is as 4340, because completely we have removed the decimal part here for our convenience. What the convenience? It will be easy when we multiply, because multiplication of the whole to a whole is easy. For that sake we have just removed the decimal part, but we are not completely removed. For time being we have removed it. Okay, see that again, once again you follow it. 5 4 the 22, carry 5 2 the 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry 5 1 the 5 plus 1 6, 3 4 the 12, 1 3 2 the 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 the 3, 0 4 13. This is 4340. Now I have to just locate or accommodate the decimal part. Decimal part is not over. For the convenience of my multiplication, I consider both the values are whole. But it is not a whole because one is a decimal number. Just to follow the decimal point, remember, watch it very carefully. First, how many decimal numbers and the position that should be counted. What the position to be counted? See, this is a decimal part. Okay. How many digits the decimal part consist or contain, that you should know. This decimal part has the 2 digits, that is 2 by 10 and 4 by 100, right? So that's why here in the whole number what you obtain as a product, in this one from your right side you have to count the 2 digits 0 4 and you accommodate or indicate, put a point decimal here. Now the entire value is changed. Before that one, what was the value? It is 4340. Now it is 43.40. 43.40. Did you follow this? This is the way that we can carry out the multiplication. This is the example. This is an example of whole number with decimal number. Now, what happens if both are decimal part? Consider 46.21 into 11.21. Both are decimal digits. Okay, 46.21 multiplies 11.21. It's okay, no problem. How many decimal parts? Either in both. The multiplicand and multiplier should contain, should not contain. We are not bothered. So what is the thing is? As I told in this example of the problem, that you forget all the decimal. From your mind for a time being you think that it is not a decimal. What should we do? Take it as a whole number. 46.2 can be written as 462. 11.21 can be written as 1121 or 1121. Right. Now either you make it as multiplier and multiplicand, or you make it as multiplier and multiplicand. This side or that side it will be okay, no problem for it. So we will just start from this. 1 2s are 1 6s are 1 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and this is 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Okay. Then again it is 1 2s are 1 6s are 1 4s are. Again it is 1 2s are 1 6s are 1 4s are. Okay, now you add all this. It is totally 2. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry, 2 2 4, 4 4 8 plus 1, it is 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, 15 plus 2, 17. 1 carry. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. Just make a cross check or verify it, what the things we multiplied and added is correct or not, for our knowledge sake. 1 2s are 1 6s are 1 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. And similarly 1 2s are 1 6s are 1 4s are 1 2s are 1 6s are 1 4s are 2 is only unit. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carried out. This 2 2 4 plus 1 4 plus 4 plus 1 8 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 2 17, 10, 6 4 10, 1, it is 11 and it is a 5. Okay, this is the decimal number exactly, and we first made it into or converted into the whole and we multiplied. but we cannot let it to keep as it is as a whole number, because they are the products obtained from the decimal parts. What should we do? Just as I told you that you have to count the decimal digits. So in this number there are two decimal digits, means that there are two digits which are in decimal part. Here also there are two digits in non-decimal part. The total in these two, multiplier and multiplicand, are the product of the two numbers, decimal numbers. There are four decimal parts, is it 4 decimal digits. This is 1 2 and this is 1 2. Totally 2 plus 2 4. Here in this product number you have to place or put a decimal counting the 4 digits from your right side, which is, this is my right side. Count it 2 0 9 7. Now you have to place a decimal. This value now it gives 51.7902. It's a decimal value. Why? Because we have multiplied this, a decimal number, changing it to whole number, and again placing or converting into the decimal form. This is the way that how we can carry it out. The third example is, now both are, whole number is 0 but the decimal part to be multiplied. What is that? See this one, 0.214 into 0.0174. Okay, you can observe and you can watch carefully. My three examples are different from one another. What's the way? Here is a one number is a whole, another is a decimal. Multiplication of a whole number to a decimal number. Here both the decimal number, one decimal number multiplies to another. This is the product what we obtained here. Okay. Now look into this example. You will have both sides is a decimal number and the whole number represents 0. There are no whole values are there. The whole values is represented as, are written as 0, because 0 point means the whole section and the whole part of the number is a 0. What is the trick to be applied? The same trick. What the trick? When you multiply the decimal numbers in multiplication, forget for a moment that is a decimal number. You convert or change them into a whole numbers. What are the possible values that it can be converted into whole? 214. This is 174. Now you have to multiply 214 and 174. Multiply 4 4 the 16, 1 carry 4 on the 4 plus 1 5. 4 2 the 8. 7 4 the 28, 2 carry 7 on the 7 plus 2 9, 7 2 the 14. Alright, this is 1 4 the. This is 1 1 the and 1 2 the. Okay, this is 6. 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 1 22. Alright, 2 carry. Then this is 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3. This is the product what we obtained, 37,236, but it is not a whole value because it is being multiplied. It is multiplied from the decimal numbers, that to the whole number representing 0. As I told you, count the decimal values. In the decimal part, how many digits? 1 2 3 4, 4 digits. In the decimal part, how many digits? 1 2 3. So in this number, the total decimal parts which the digits present are in the total decimal digits numbers are having here is a 7. In this one is 3 and this one is 4. 3 plus 4 7. Now what you need to do here, to locate or put a decimal in the product, you have to start counting the 7 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Still you need to count 2 more. If you don't have the digit, consider it 0 6 0 7 decimal 0. Okay. So how many digits are there here? In this decimal part there are 3 digits. In this decimal part there are 4 digits. The sum of the total decimal parts, the sum of the total digits in the decimal part is 7. Now you have to count the 7 digits place here. 1 2 3 4 5 Still 2 more digits are to be needed to just locate decimal. If you don't have any digits, then put it is 06 and another 07, 0.0037236, because every number should be spelled out and it should be read it as only the numerical numbers but not as a whole sum value. Isn't it? This is the very simple way that you can carry out the multiplication of the decimals. With this one, today I am going to end up my video here only, and I hope that you enjoyed and also understood very well regarding the multiplication of decimal. With this one, once again I make a sincere appeal to you all. Please do not forget to subscribe, make it subscription and just watch it, and you increase the watch hour. Increasing watch hour doesn't matter. It's that you should only just on the video put somewhere and you just let it to finish. You should sit and go through it and follow the points. With this one, I am going to end up my video and saying that take care of. Bye bye. Thank you.